Can you open the hood? Oh wow, steaming. What is going on, you guys? So today on this video, it was going to be a pretty much easy video in the sense that we do have many parts in line to be added to Lark, which is this bad boy here. Okay, fortunately I did go for a ride. The car started overheating. I think the max temperature that I got to was like maybe 3/4. In traffic, once I started riding and stuff, it was okay. So yeah, I was taking a look under the hood and I think our radiator is bad. I hope not, but if it is, that's fine. We'll swap it out. So we're gonna try and figure out that today also. All right, so let's get started with the fun stuff. We're gonna open up, I wanna say possibly my actual favorite mod, taillights. Now the cool stuff about these taillights is I ordered them. They got sent over from, I forgot what state, but it was in Mexico. Pretty cool seller, by the way. And yeah, he even sent me like the little booklet and stuff. Right there. I got the box, you can see. And it actually tells you what color you are buying. Check these out. They're mint, they're like new pretty much. No broken studs or anything like that. Yeah, I'm just like super scared for this little one here. This is the one that usually breaks, but I'm gonna put some, maybe some lube or something, a little grease, but yeah. We got this over here. Let's take some little before shots. And then some after shot. honestly, man, these look amazing. I really like how they look. Check this out. Ooh. And it's like, it's a rare combo. You must know green is my favorite color, and therefore green taillights. But man, they just pop. I mean, and it's crazy because the car already pops. It's yellow, and then you add green. It's like, dude, like you're trying to make everything pop. Not really. This was not on purpose. It's not intentional. In fact, I don't like to be that flashy guy. You know what I mean? It's just, green is my favorite color, and I've always wanted a Imola yellow 20th. You know, I like the Imola yellow over the Jazz blue, in my opinion. But man, it's just, yeah. Check this out. Oh my, man, that looks way better than I thought. Now, fun doesn't end there, of course. I was also careful enough to order another really cool part. Let me show you. And I did put it in this box just because I feel like they go together. Ooh, Tony. Check this out, guys. Yep, green sides. Don't try that. Don't try that at home. Nice. I actually popped this little tab here. Honestly, the right way to do it is going under here. But this thing does have the wheel cover. I forgot the plastic here, so I couldn't stick my hand in, but it's fine. I don't care for these. These are going to the trash anyway, so, you know, whatever. Alright guys, so another part that we will need to address, because unfortunately we can't fix it, would be this boot. Move this a little bit out of the way. This sucks, like, this just feels way too dry. There you go. All right, and so I have here the new hotness. Got this out of a used 20th as well. As you can see, it's way much better. It's not new by all means, but it's way better than this one here. So get this working. Let me see. So this is going to go in. So this. so. Straighten it up. Put it back in. So far, we've just installed a few parts. We've got taillights, side markers, and the ship nut boot, which looks great. So I was able to pick these up as well. These are OEM floor mats, especially for 20th. But as you can see, the logo is like super dirty. On this one, kinda, but also dirty as well. And yeah, these are original. You can see here the tag. All right, this one, same tag, should be here. So yeah, otherwise they're in pretty decent condition, not perfect. They're both missing the little arrow, the little plastic circle here, which pins them down. So missing one here and missing another one here, which is no biggie. We can get those. Other than that, we're just gonna give them a nice little wash and bring this back to life. And with that, we're going to end the video here. Thanks for watching. Please like and consider subscribing. I did just order a new radiator that I'll be installing on the next video, along with Bosch headlights and some other goodies. So stay tuned. Peace.